Earlier this month, Esri released into production the ArcGIS Indoors extension for its AutoCAD plugin. We use this as an early adopter and are excited to see it in production. It's a great diagnostic tool that's going to increase our efficiency when preparing large-scale integrations. Prior to importing CAD floor plans into ArcGIS Indoors, there's a few things you need to check to ensure an accurate, successful import. You don't want to have to do it again and again. Unclosed room boundaries, small gaps in the line work or dangling endpoints, self-intersecting polylines. These import as multi-part features and are going to require some cleanup and rework. Missing or conflicting room names or non-standard use types. I really love the simplicity of the workflow and the UI for the configuration. It's simple, but provides a number of options to address the variability in floor plan drawings that we receive. When configuring the unit boundaries validations, you can define what layer or layers constitute the room boundaries, as well as what tolerances you want to allow. Additionally, you've got some options to consider for approaches to annotation and block attributes for the unit names and use types. Once configured, it's a push of a button, and out pops a table of issues for inspection. You can filter by type of issue and zoom to each one. It's a nice interface to tackle error resolution. Now, this is where the handoff occurs. The plugin doesn't automatically fix the errors. That takes a person. Upon review, you may find that there are certain CAD layering and drawing decisions that underline many of the issues, requiring some wholesale changes to the file. Or maybe just some cleanup of the line work. It's probably a little bit of both. No matter the case, this tool streamlines the process, allowing us to spend less time looking for issues and more time finding solutions for our clients. The ArcGIS Indoors extension to the ArcGIS for AutoCAD plugin is a very welcome addition to our workflow. Looking forward to using it on the next Indoors implementation.